Hey guys, what's up? This is Rezwan.rono. Today I'm gonna show you how to extend the size of your C drive when your C drive is out of space. So let's get started. Go to my computer, right click on it and select Manage. Computer Management tool will show up. Now click on Disk Management. Now you can see I have two different disks, disk 0 and disk 1. My Windows is installed in disk 0, so C drive is appeared in disk 0. Now right click on C drive and you can see no extension is available. So we have to free up some unallocated space from other drive. Suppose we want to add 2 GB from drive D to drive C. Now let's shrink drive D. Right click on it and click on Shrink Volume. Enter 278607. As you can see, I have size of available shrink space in drive D is 298607. So I have to calculate and put a value here. Click on Shrink. New 272 GB unallocated space is created. Now delete drive D. Now go back to drive C, right click on it and you can see extension option is available. So click on Extend Volume, click on Next. Now in the amount of space in MB, select the amount of space of MB. Here we want to extend 2 GB. As we all know, 1 GB equal to 1024 MB, 2 GB equal to 2048 MB. So 2048 and click Next. Finish. So the extension is done. You can see we have already able to extend C drive. Now right click on unallocated space and click on New Simple Volume. Click Next. Next, assign a letter. Then click Next. So new volume is created. My work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe me and make sure to comment down below.